Hi everyone, I'm Marta. Today's video is about tofu, or in Bahasa Indonesia we call it tahu. And I'm going to cook this recipe for the very first time for my family dinner. The twins are not going to like it when I tell them today's dinner is tofu, so I have to find a way to introduce this food to them. The green part of the carrot is our dwarf rabbit's favorite food. Hi Mera. Eka. I got to know this recipe like about 20 years ago when I was in a senior high school. The original recipe was actually only tofu, eggs, flour, salt and pepper. But in this recipe, I would like to add some carrots, some broccoli, crushed ginger and garlic, and I even add the coriander seed powder, a salty soya sauce, chives, and of course, salt and pepper. Usually, I'm just going to cook the tofu with some salt and coriander powder and garlic. Drain the water and just fry them, and I'm going to eat them with sweet soya sauce and chili. And my son love it, but the girls hate it. I gotta find a way that the girls love to eat tofu too. And I'm going to serve this with peanut sauce, more fresh vegetables such as cucumber and tomato, and also basil leaves. You guys can see the reaction in the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you want you can write down a comment. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa. Actually a tofu. I put a broccoli inside.